Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications for your Cubot Max 3. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Here find Notify Body. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Now move to the next step and grant app 2 permissions. Here's battery optimization, and it's optional, so you don't need to disable it, but if the app doesn't work properly, go back and disable it. Now let's move on to the next step. Here select any apps to allow custom LED lamp notifications for. In system you can select any system bound apps. In active you can find all apps that you've just activated. In the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen, but some of the options are locked behind the premium version of this app. Now to check how the LED lamp looks like, let's click on this test button and we can see it right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.